Well, good morning, folks. It is a beautiful morning here. It is just, you can kind of see cracking light just a little bit. Cannot see any tip-ups yet, but we are after some walleyes here this morning. We got 6 in. I got my girlfriend with me, and yeah, it's awesome. Got walleye sucker minnows on. Didn't show anything setting up. Just figured get them in quick and talk to you after that. But yeah, we're just fishing a little back bay here. Little river channel that comes through. Got some in the channel and some in the bay and stuff like that with some stumps. Fishing anywhere from 8 to 16 feet of water. So see what happens here. We got all the lights on the tip ups, so we're waiting for that to happen. And yeah, see what happens. So stick with us, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some walleyes here shortly. All right, let's go get it. You saw it, you get it. You see it up or no?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, really? Yeah. It's a good looking sign.
You ready?
Yep. Got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Feel good or not really?
Not really. Feels pretty little.
Oh, it got off. Dang it.
It felt really little anyways. Honestly,
I saw a glimpse over there.
Huh?
You got caught on the ice right when I came up. Oh well. Minnow look okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
It must not have, he barely had him then, because the
Yeah.
was fine.
It's okay.
It felt tiny.
Alright, well, we had a hit there, had something on. It's about 7 o'clock here. Definitely a dark morning here. Nice and cloudy, that's always good, but first flag of the morning here. We might as well take the light off that one, but alright, I think I'm going to continue just bobbing the tip ups a little bit and check some minnows, so. Finally! A flag is up. I saw that one come right off the tee. It has been a very slow morning. It is roughly, probably been 7:40 now. They just dropped it, I bet you. Yep, dropped it.
Dang it.
And another one. I heard that one go up. There we go, getting a couple now at least. We just got to get a walleye on the ice. Are you happy? I don't see it spinning. What? Line's angled big time though.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, you got him.
Oh, okay, yep, that's a big fish.
Really? Need help?
Oh no.
What?
Did he get off? Oh no, he's there.
Easy.
Feels pretty decent.
Okay, just let him fight then.
I just don't want him to get stuck on that edge this time. Gosh.
Remember, let the bobber go through if you have to.
Oh my gosh.
It's a pike, yeah. A decent pike.
It felt pretty big. That's why.
Alright. Got him on release, or got him unhooked. Beautiful pike. Nice and chunky. Oh, boy.
Oh. Oh.
He got one. Alright. There we go. Cool. Nice pike. There's a flag. Alright. See what we got this time. Oh, bobber's like right there. Nothing again. And minnows there. Definitely getting chewed up. Down you go, buddy.
Darn.
Wow, a lot of misses. We are 1 for 4. No, you do.
You haven't had any.
I just took the last one. Well, we just had a flag fly up, did a minnow check, and of course, 2 out of the 4 tip-ups did not have minnows. And this is one of them that didn't have a minnow, and it just flew up. Oh, bragging that you catch all the fish, huh? Where's the line? Oh, better take it. Got him?
Yeah, but it doesn't.
It's going to be a small pike. What is that? It's a little pike.
Oh.
I got off.
Well,
I guess that's a nice easy release. That was definitely a small little pike.
he got his snack, I guess.
Alright. That was fun. Alright. Another flag is up. This is the one we just had the little pike on. Come on, be illegal. Getting later in the morning now. Oh, great. I love my tip-ups. I literally could see the bobber. There we go.
Nice job.
Yay. Alright, we just got done with that flag and I get another chance. This one has not been up all morning. Oh yeah, it's been nice and slow. Go on that side. Ready? Got him. Feels decent. Yeah, legal walleye. I got the one that mattered. That's actually a decent yellow walleye there. Grab them. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and flared up. Should have been yours. I got lucky that she let me take another one. See if he actually ate it. Nice 8, about 8:30 in the morning walleye here. Not hooked the best, just inside the mouth. Alright, should you measure him quick?
Yeah.
Guessing he's right around that 16, definitely will be illegal. Yep, I'd give him about 16. Alright, perfect, yeah, walleye! Late in the morning, but we got one, so cool. Maybe we'll drop it back down, see if we can get another one. Well, that is going to be a wrap. Got our tip-ups out, we're just kind of packing up here. Yeah, not a best morning I've ever had here with only 6 lines out, but definitely had some worse mornings. Got the one legal, one pike, saw a little pike that we lost. We lost one other fish early on, and of course I had a lot of misses. Just a couple feet of line out with the minnow was still there, but nothing there. So, I don't know, see what happens. Clouds are still pretty good. It's about getting close to Christmas here is when this video is. Got about a good 8 inches of ice, so its ice has been forming well. Got the perfect amount of snow on the ice, just enough so you can see the tip-ups really well. Yeah, I guess that's really all it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.